Scrappy Peeps, Suzanna here today for a Tuesday morning haul. The Christmas stuff is out at Tuesday morning, as well as some other goodies that I found. Some of this is the Merry Days that is from last year, as well as this Pebbles Cozy and Bright collection. There's stuff that I didn't get last year, or maybe I did get and I forgot about, kind of like this, but I'll use again. Anyway, so this lovely, I use these are storage bins that are in the storage section, but I use these for my stamps and other things. There's only one because I've taken the other one out, but this is a 2 set of these lovely plastic bins, and it's $12.99 for the 2, and there's the SKU there if you want to see that. And so yeah, perfect for storage and stamps and stuff. So I'll start with the snow and cocoa goodies that I got. I swear I got another stamp set, maybe not. Oh, yep, I did. So I think they had a few snow and cocoa goodies, stamp sets, but I only picked up 2 of them. So these are the Christmas trees, which I can see like making a whole line of them, which would be really cool. And there is the product locator number. I do love that deer in the car. And then I also got this because I wanted to stamp the houses and also make rows of those as well. And I thought the cars would be cool together. So you can see they're the cutout of each other, really. I also really liked that joy. And again, there's the product locator number for that. I also got these little trees. I thought they would be fun for doing when I do my photos, to put those, maybe do something else with that. They had them in pink and red and a bunch of other colors. So that's the snow and cocoa goodies. Then I got some of this Cozy and Bright. So last year I got a lot of the Ephemera Packs. They had several stamp sets. I don't really stamp a lot. I try to more than I do, but I was drawn to the sloth. Had to have the sloth because I have some leggings that I bought at Walmart that have a sloth on them. So that is, yeah, must have all the sloths. Product locator number for that. And then this is the thickers pack that goes with that, with the wood grain. There's a product locator number for that. And some snowflakes. I must have all the snowflakes. Yes. Fa la la, Merry Christmas. And then this is the paper pack, and I may have gotten this before, but I have it again if I did get it before. So you can see some of the pages have glitter on them, the polka stripes, the sloth, and there is glitter on that too, and that's on his scarf or her scarf. And then the berries and the beard on the gnome or gnome, and that is got glitter in the white parts of that. So that is that. Let's see, for the Merry Days collection, this is this stuff. Let's move that out of the way. Whoops, dropped something. So there are 2 tag sets, gift tags. I will use it as ephemera to my layout. So there are 25 pieces and 2 things of baker's twine. So they're almost like ephemera pieces. They've just got that hole to go with the tag that you could layer up with that, which would be fun layered up on a layout. And there's different things in that. So there's the product locator number for that. And then this one, there's the product locator number for that. Then they also had several stamp sets for Merry Days. I got these 2. I really liked the Fa La La and the frame. I figured I could do stamp the frame. I also thought that I could make wreaths with this stamped, and then use that in combination with it. And snowflakes. I am a snowflake collector, so yes, must have all the snowflakes. I thought it'd be fun to do something with that and use acetate, and then maybe put some sequins in behind that too. So that was a thought for that. Let's see what else. They had several of these. I really liked these shaker stickers. Not sure what I'm going to do with them, but I really liked them. They appealed to me, the movement of that. And then the puffy stickers. There's a product locator number for that. And the stickers, and you can see they're gold foiled. And I really loved this collection. I still haven't used it. But yes, I loved it and must have it. There's a tag, and this is the chipboard stickers. So 46 pieces. I really love that joy. See how some of them are gold foiled and those houses. So I thought it would be fun to have the dimension of the houses with the houses and the stamps there. And that is the product locator number for that. So that's the Merry Days collection. Both the Pebbles and the Merry Days were in the store last year, and these are just different pieces that are available. And then there is this, this is new this year, or it's new to me anyway, My Mind's Eye. And most of what I was able to find is this cozy Christmas collection. And then there were a few pieces of this Comfort and Joy collection. This stuff was on an end cap, so it was not where most of the scrapbooking stuff or craft stuff normally is. This was with the craft stuff. So just when you go into your store looking for it, that's what it is. So this is 13 stickers, not a lot. And they charged me the same price as this, because again, this is also 13 stickers, because there was no product locator number on this one. So not the best deal for 13 stickers, but I figured I'd use them. I collect Christmas. And then so for the Cozy Christmas collection, there was also a 6x6 pattern paper pad. There were a few more brads, and I want to say there was one other ephemera pack, but I might be wrong about that. I got the tags, and there was an ephemera pack that I didn't pick up because I'm trying to limit what I buy, believe it or not. So there's gift tags, 25 of them. I obviously will not use them as gift tags. I will use them on a page for journaling or other things hanging out of a layout. And that's the product locator number there. And then these are chipboard buttons. Again, I will use it less for the button part, but more for the chipboard part. And that's the product locator number for that. And then with that collection, there is actually chipboard elements, and these have glitter on them. So this red here is glittered, this deer is glittered, this frame is glittered, and that is the product locator number for that there. I'm not one for these bigger elements, but I do like the frames, and I'm a sucker for these houses. This is the decorative brads that go with that. Not a big brad user, but I do really like these things. So there's the product locator number for that. And then these are the 9 cardstock stickers. And again, these will come in handy for me because they are journaling spots and sort of banners. And that's the product locator number there. And then this is the paper pad sheet, which, let me find an X-Acto blade and cut off this. There we go. Whoop, another one. And show you. So there's 48 sheets. I like that they are single-sided. Then you don't have the decision making of a double-sided sheet. And let me just quickly flip through that for you. So there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 patterns, and then they repeat. So we've got the days, 25 days, the numbers, snowflakes, words, red on red polkas. That is classic My Mind's Eye. That's like some of their really older collections from maybe 8 years ago. Poinsettias, and you can see the glitter on that. Green, again, classic My Mind's Eye. The plaid, and there's on these vertical red stripes, there's glitter on that too. I don't know if you can see that in this light. And then newsprint, trees on cars, vintage cars. Again, classic My Mind's Eye, kind of that greeny tealy color. Houses, and their stars are glitter. Stripes, kind of a sweater pattern. red, classic My Mind's Eye, old My Mind's Eye. I want to say vintage My Mind's Eye, but it's really not that vintage in the grand scheme of things. Maybe scrapbooky vintage. Does that sound fair? Red, and then presents, and there's also glitter on these. On the that's glitter. You can tell by the texture. It's really, I think, just these bows. So I don't know if yeah, it's hard to tell. This package is glitter as well. Green and white stripes. Nope, no texture on that. Wreaths. Trees. Ornaments. And it's just the horizontals, the verticals on this. The vertical reds are glitter. And let's see if I can show you the glitter on that. So subtle, but I like that pattern. And more words. And then circles, and then the outside of these circles have glitter on the newsprint. Trees / leaves. And these are bows, and they're glitter. I don't know if you can tell. It's hard to catch the glimmer of light on them sometimes. And that is that paper pack. And then I got a couple of other not Christmas goodies, although this could be Christmassy. I love that plaid background by Momenta. There's the product locator number for that. So that will be used for Christmas. And I got this for Project Life, Not Project Life, for storage. They're small storage envelopes. There are 5 of them. They have been sitting at Tuesday morning for a long time. And I keep looking at them, and I keep picking them up, and then I keep putting them down, and I don't walk home with them. But I've decided I want them to start collecting tickets maybe that I don't want to put in a page, that I want to save, bits and pieces. So there are 5 of those, and that makes me happy. I did finally pick them up at long last. You know, if they've been there a while and nobody else has bought them, and you're like, well, they're definitely mine. And then these are some really fun Jane Davenport things. There was also one that had in her writing, kind of like this writing here, something about a mermaid saying, and then waves, water waves like this, but smaller and repetitive, that I really wanted, but they were $5.99, and I didn't need all the words, and it just seemed silly to pay $5.99 for just those waves. So I did get these. So this is stars and hearts, and you are unique, and I know I'll be able to use that. Oh, sorry, product locator number. Yes. And then I got this because I really liked that scallop border and these hanging hearts. The unicorn is not so much my thing, but I might find a use for that. But definitely it was worth it for those. And there's a product locator number for that. And then this from Spellbinders. Again, I think this is one of those things that have been sitting there a while, and nobody picked it up, so I thought, then I guess that's meant to be for me. So these are flowers. I like flowers, and you could layer that with that on there, or you could just leave them as they are. And that was only $3.49, so I thought, it's been sitting there a while, so I'll definitely use that for my scrapping. So there you go. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you enjoyed the haul. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the box down below. Thanks for stopping in today. As always, take care. Bye.